Missing in action since the last rally, which was also his first for the Delhi Assembly polls, Rahul Gandhi is slated to address the party gathering in Madhya Pradesh. Two other star campaigners of the Congress for the Delhi elections, the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge as well as the Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well, who are yet to even make an entry into the Delhi fray, are also likely to address the Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan rally. Now, this is at the birthplace of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, where leaders and workers will be taking a pledge to protect the constitution. But this comes amid digs that have been coming in from the BJP leaders asking, where is Rahul Gandhi? My colleagues Niyamika as well as Mohit Bhatt are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, a lot of questions have been raised on where Rahul Gandhi is, whether the national leaders of the Congress party are missing from the fray in Delhi. The election campaigning has been going on. Rahul Gandhi has addressed only one rally. Now, again, he's going to be in Madhya Pradesh, but not campaigning in poll-bound Delhi.
Well, yes, and let us take this question across the senior Karnataka Congress leader, Mr. B.K. Hariprasad, with us. Sir, yesterday we have seen that Rahul Gandhi was not being present in the Republic Day parade, and today he is going to address this mega rally which is going to take place in Mau today, which is related to the Constitution of India, as the Congress party is continuously raising this entire matter. BJP saying that this is basically a disregard to the Constitution and the entire nation, that why Rahul Gandhi was not being present on the Republic Day, but he is addressing this rally.
Well, as a leader of opposition, he can address Republic Day anywhere. He can celebrate the Republic Day anywhere in the world. They are finding excuses to blame Rahul Gandhi for his absence in Republic Day. It is ridiculous. As far as Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, our RSS, Hindu Mahasabha, we don't need any lessons from them as far as the patriotism, Constitution and the Republic Day. The people who are opposed to the Constitution, people who are opposed to the tricolour, they are making these lame excuses. But what have they done all these years? 52 long years, they did not hoist a tricolour flag in their own offices, and they did not accept the Constitution when it was Babasaheb Ambedkar, when he declared the Constitution. They said that there is no Bharatiyata in this Constitution. They have picked up points from the Western countries, and they have constituted this. They have formed this Constitution. They said they will not accept Golwalkar. Their Guruji himself had said it long back that they are not ready to accept Constitution. Yesterday itself they have said that they are going to release a Hindu Rashtra Constitution. What does they speak? They have got a double standard. If they have the guts, let them say that they are not for Hindu Rashtra. What does it mean, Hindu Rashtra? Hindu Rashtra is against the Constitution, spirit of the Constitution.
So can we say that this is basically the message which the Congress party is trying to give through this rally, which is being named as Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan?
Well, this is a historical message that we are going to give it, because in the last century, the three wonders in the world, one is Hiroshima bomb, the second is Mahatma Gandhi, third is Ambedkar. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated in almost 127 countries as a non-violence day. And Ambedkar is a role model for the entire world to constitute a constitution, to form a constitution against the dictators, against the feudal lords, against all kinds of dictatorship. It was Ambedkar. And Mahatma Gandhi's message was very clear. It was truth and non-violence. Ambedkar said it is the rule of law in the frame of the Constitution, that the country should be gone. It's a message to the entire world that two people who have led this country to a modern India, and this is the message we are going to give.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. So that was Mr. B.K. Hariprasad, who was the senior Congress leader from the state of Karnataka, and he has mentioned it very clearly that the only message which we want to give to the entire country is that the Congress party is trying to safeguard the spirit of the Constitution, and that is why the top Congress
Constitution, Niyamika, very clearly is going to be the theme of the Congress party yet again, and we are seeing that the Congress party is saying that that is going to be the biggest poll plank for the Congress party. But the bigger question is, where is Rahul Gandhi? He is going to be in Madhya Pradesh, but he is missing from the campaigns in the national capital. When asked about the same, here's what Jeetu Patwari said on why Rahul Gandhi is going to be in Madhya Pradesh instead.
कांग्रेस पार्टी वो पार्टी है जिसने देश की आजादी में करोड़ों कांग्रेस जनों ने अपनी जान की आहुति दी। कांग्रेस की उन्नति में, देश के निर्माण में, एकता और अखंडता में भी राजीव जी और इंदिरा जी ने अपनी शहादत दी। देश के संविधान को बचाने का संकल्प राहुल गांधी जी ने, खड़गे जी ने और हर कांग्रेस जन ने अपने खून के आखिरी कतरे तक भी बहाना पड़े तो देश के संविधान के सुरक्षा और उसके अभिमान के लिए बहाने के लिए कांग्रेस जन तैयार है। 27 जनवरी को बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर संविधान निर्माता, उनकी जन्मस्थली पर पूरे प्रदेश के कांग्रेस जन इकट्ठे होंगे, एकत्रित होंगे। लाखों लाख लोग समाएंगे नहीं, इतने